Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert an image or a text box to your video on the Cinemagraph application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the fourth icon down below and select video, then click on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen and click on this plus icon at the top, which is the second option. Click on the plus icon again at the top, and if you want to insert another image, click on insert image and then choose a picture from your gallery. Then you can change its size by tapping on one point, and then you can also position it within the screen. If you want to insert a text box, tap on the same plus icon at the top and click on insert text. Here you can see that there is a text box, so if you tap onto it you will be able to type in whatever you want and you can position it within your screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.